Good morning, everyone. It is that time again when we pause, reflect, and celebrate the vibrant journey of our CIS family over the past month. From creativity and curiosity to courage and celebration. Here is a look at everything that made this month memorable.
From delightful poems of first grader to the magical tales of grade 2 and 3 and thought-provoking book reviews by grade 4 and 5, our young voices shine.
Pre-primary added colors with the joyful rainbow celebration and sharpened their minds with a cheerful memory hit. Creativity truly took center stage.
In the spirit of Raksha Bandhan, our students went beyond tradition, turning heartfelt creativity into tribute.
Grade 6 and 7 made beautiful Rakis for our soldiers guarding the borders, while grade 8 to 11 poured gratitude into handmade cards for our brave brothers in uniform.
Through school cinema sessions, students explored life skills, emotional intelligence, and empathy.
Our Children's Film Festival Movie Day for grade 3 to 5 turned the screen into a classroom. Engaging stories brought lessons to life far beyond the pages of textbook.
At our school, leadership is nurtured as a mindset. This month marked the start of a purposeful journey as our student council aspirants prepared to lead. Students embarked on a transformative journey beginning with SOP writing and personal interviews where council aspirants reflected on their purpose, passion and potential.
The journey culminated in a proud moment, our investiture ceremony where all the newly elected Student Council 2025 to 26 took the stage ready to lead with integrity, responsibility and vision.
A true celebration of student voice, initiative and leadership in motion. From special performances to stage glory, our scholars are setting benchmarks by showcasing talent, dedication, and achievements.
Our young performers stole the spotlight, bagging first prize in the Nukkad Natak inter-school competition.
NCC cadets made us proud by participating in a prestigious national NCC camp where they demonstrated unwavering discipline, leadership, and a deep sense of patriotism.
SOF achievers secured international and zonal ranks, receiving recognition through certificates, prize money, and exciting gift vouchers, a testament to their academic excellence.
A special applause to Trisha Chandaran of grade 9 for making a remarkable impression at World Mahabharat Championship senior category.
Our educator, Mrs. Tharini Dave, was awarded the Zonal Teacher Award, bringing immense pride to the school and reinforcing our commitment to educational excellence.
This month, our campus echoed with voices of inspiration, creativity, and purpose as students, parents, and educators came together for enriching learning beyond the classroom.
A powerful exchange of ideas on raising happy children where our guest speakers and parents reflected on emotional well-being, balanced parenting and nurturing resilience in young minds.
In the Talk of the Month session, Extra Mountaineers inspired students with real-life stories of climbing mountains and mental barriers, sharing lessons on courage, goal-setting and perseverance.
An eye-opening career guidance session was held that helped students discover how to turn interest into ambitions by aligning their strengths and passion with their future career paths.
A soul-stirring musical workshop was organized where scholars stepped into the world of rhythm and melody. They experienced music as a universal language of expression and connection.
As we wrap up another dynamic month, we carry forward stories of effort, expression, and excellence. Here's to more achievements, more smiles, and a journey filled with purpose. This is Team CIS News, signing off. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and always lead with kindness.